Hi, Katie Andelman here, and I'm so excited to launch our new Stardust Glitter Overlays with Bellevue Avenue. And I'm going to show you today how to quickly add glitter to the hair. So here I have two of our glitter overlays, and I want to show you what it looks like to have a little bit thicker glitter and more sporadic glitter. So here we have our masks, and our masks are on screen. So this is important. You want to change your blending mode from normal to screen. It's right here. And these masks are inverted. So once you paint on with white, it will show the effect. And I'm painting with a regular soft white brush. And I'm at 100% opacity, 100% fill. And I'm going to go right over the areas of the hair where I want to do the glitter. I also like to go with the flow of the hair, so if there's curls in the hair, I go with the direction of the curl. And if you want to do thinner glitter, I like to take it all the way to the bottom of the hair. It looks like it really blends well that way. And if you make a mistake because you have your layer mask here, you can simply toggle back and forth and remove any glitter that you don't want. And I'm just going to thin this glitter out here just a little bit. Okay, back to our thicker glitter here. And I'll add a few strands of thinner glitter just to even it out on this side. Also, the glitter does show up better on darker hair rather than lighter hair. You can do it on blonde hair and lighter hair. It just won't be as vibrant as it will be on the darker hair tones. So browns and blacks really make the glitter pop. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and the awesome hair glitter that we have.